Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Storytime with Sonali. I hope you all are doing good and taking good care of yourselves. So, guys, are you ready to sit down and read with me? Today we are going to read a very interesting storybook. This story is about two friends, Paul and Peter. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Puffin Peter, written by Peter Horacek. Peter and Paul were the best of friends. Paul made Peter laugh by being funny and noisy. They spent their days happily fishing around their rocky island. One day, while they were out diving, let's see what happens. A storm blew up. A big storm. Peter was lost. Poor Peter. He was blown far out to sea. At last, the storm was over. Where am I? Said Peter. He opened his eyes, and where is Paul? I think he is lost. Let's see. Hello, said the kind whale. Are you lost? Yes, said Peter. And I have lost my best friend Paul. Oh dear. Let's see if we can find Paul. What's he like? Said the whale. Oh, Paul is funny and noisy. Can you help me find him? Funny and noisy? I know just where to look, said the whale, and they set off together. Here we are, said the whale, as they arrived on a small island. Which one is Paul? The birds were funny and noisy, but they were nothing like Paul. Paul is not a parrot, said Peter. Paul's feathers are black and white. Funny, noisy, and black and white, said the whale. I know just where to look. And off they set. Here we are. It's rather cold. The birds were funny, noisy, and black and white, but they were nothing like Paul. Paul is not a penguin, said Peter. Paul's beak is very colorful. Funny, noisy, black and white, with a colorful beak, said the whale. I know exactly where to look. And they set off again. The bird on the island was funny, noisy, black and white, with a colorful beak. But he wasn't Paul. Paul is not a toucan, said Peter. We are never going to find him. Peter was very sad. The whale didn't know where else to look, so they drifted across the ocean. Poor little Peter. After a few days, some tiny islands appeared on the horizon. Peter was too sad to look as he drifted towards them. "Look," said the whale, "what's that?" "I hope it is Paul." It was black and white with a colorful beak. It was funny and noisy. It was Paul. Finally, we found him. Peter was overjoyed. "So, this is Paul," cried the whale. "Why didn't you tell me?" "Tell you what?" said Peter. The whale smiled. "That he's a puffin, just like you." The end. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you had fun reading this book with me. Do share this video with your friends and family and enjoy watching together. If you want to get the copy of this book, check out the link in our description box below. And if you like this video, then don't forget to tap on the notification button for our next videos. Till then, be safe and be healthy. See you in our next video.